So it's Friday afternoon. Been digging a trench for the cable for the solar panels. I had to dig this by hand because of all the other cables and stuff there is, so I can't get an excavator over here. But I heard the mailman and I ordered some parts for our milking parlour and for the manure separator. So let's see what we've got, and we'll try to fix some stuff this afternoon. So while I was changing GoPro batteries, my dad also already took the manure separator parts. So he's fixing that. Let's see what else we got. Tools. Can you see? No. Tool. Tools in here. I broke a few sockets. These are the switches for the milking parlour. Tape. This is for our water supply. Okay. Oh, nice. Upside down packaging. Oh. So that's something to do. So it's complete again. I broke a few sockets because I'm so strong. I needed this one for the silage cutter, but the old one wasn't too sharp anymore, so ordered a new one. I need this tomorrow. Milking parlour. Got my drill set complete again, so let's fix our milking parlour. Let's change this one. So there it is in the corner. It's a bit dark, can't see. GoPros don't film in the dark, so let's change it. So the new one on. This is the old one, but it doesn't come back anymore. So let's see if it works. I will grease it. I collected a load of bales Saturday, so let's unload them today. that one is going to be a challenge, but we'll see. Let's get started.